I want to do a quick update of the weekly watch list here at daytraderbootcamp.com. We're going to start off with the spider. Was looking to be very cautious up here, expecting to break out to new highs, but being careful at the same time. And the main line in the sand we got here is this 117.50 area. Keeps giving us some trouble. We'll move on to the first pick here is ABD. Looking to get into this at 781, 771 rather, with a target of 8.25. It's gotten up to 787 today. It's performing okay. JDSU still hasn't triggered for us yet. Actually did. It tagged 12 today. The trigger is 12. See a dollar move on this. I'm actually holding some calls here, the April 12 calls. LPX, next one up. Liked an entry here, either on weakness at 790 or a break of 828, which is was an EMA, I believe. So broken out of this flag that it's created and actually went up and tagged 873 today. So this trade's working really well, the LPX. We traded a lot here. The casinos still like this Las Vegas Sands, and I think you can remain long here and just keep your stops, down here at this 2050 area. Like it even as a longer term core hold. This here is MTG. Just an incredible looking weekly chart is what we're looking at here. Had a ton of volume come into it last week, pushing up against this 10-15 area, and there's very little price by volume. If this thing can actually get up to 11 bucks, I expect it to really rocket launch. You might see some kind of parabolic move in this MTG, like running from this 10-15 area to possibly 13-14. I don't think it's out of the question, with a little bit of hold time on it. Stochastics are embedding up here in the weekly. Good MACD. So everything about this one looks pretty good. Pulte Homes. It's definitely lagging. It has broken out of this triangle. Made a good run a few days back. I believe it was last Thursday of last week. And we're in this trade at 1180. And it's 40-cent stop loss here. Stops us out at about 1040 or 1140 rather. So hanging on here. I might ignore my own stop loss and give it some more wiggle, as I have a longer term view on it. The OIH, I was looking to get into this here at 118. It's tagged 121.38 already today, so performing really well. Got a really nice bounce off this lower trend line. And TCK is another beautiful breakout stock. We were buying this just short of 42 after it confirmed the breakout. I personally took all of my position off, plus 2 points, an overnight hold on this. Still looks good for room to go. Bullish MACD cross today, decent looking stochastics. Really nice setup there on the TCK. TKR was another one. Nice breakout play that we got into. We were looking at buying this at 29. Breaking the highs from about a week ago for a fast target of 30. Did all that yesterday on Monday. Triggered, targeted, the whole works. And even ran another 55 cents today. Still like this one. Still do. Actually in it as a scalp right now. Not sure if I'm going to hold it overnight. And then the last one on the weekly watch list is Under Armour. Retail, you can see my note here. Retail's been a freight train. UA is set up for a fast trigger. Looking for a gap run, possible fill. Trigger was 30.89. I actually took it on that trigger. And I'm looking for a dollar move here. We've got a very small gap from back October last year. Very small. But my first target is closing the bottom of that gap and maybe pushing into it. But I'd be more than happy with a dollar move on this Under Armour. So that's about it. Just wanted to finish it up, do a little update on the weekly watch list here at daytraderbootcamp.com. And you can stop by for a free 1-week trial where we broadcast the markets live every day. And hope to see you on the site.